Home HVAC Services provides fast, reliable heating repair in Westchester, PA, keeping your home warm and comfortable when it matters most. Our experienced technicians diagnose and fix all heating systems with honest pricing, quality workmanship, and dependable local service. Call our heating repair if you have any questions. Are you looking for a heating repair near me? You can stop looking. You found Home HVAC Services. Can regular maintenance help prevent heating repairs? Yes, routine heating maintenance can catch small issues early, improve efficiency, and extend the life of your system. Annual tune-ups are especially important before winter in Westchester, PA. How much does heating repair cost in Westchester, PA? Heating repair costs vary depending on the issue, system type, and parts needed. Simple repairs may be affordable, while major component replacements can cost more, and inspection provides the most accurate estimate. What is your service area for the Westchester, Pennsylvania service office? Our heating repairs have served Westchester, Chester Springs, Lionville, Eagleview, Eagle, Exton, Ackworth, Downingtown, Fisherville, Thorndale, Woodward's Corner, Marshallton, Windon, Malvern Hunt, Yellow Springs, Westtown Acres, Westtown Park, Allegiance, Ashwell, Pennsylvania. Where is your Westchester, Pennsylvania heating repair office located? We are located at 831 Westchester Pike, Westchester, Pennsylvania 19382. Our phone number is 484-573-7551. Visit our website, www.homehvacservices.com.